How to fix Instagram's account suspension. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimol from App Guide. In today's video I'll show you how you can fix if Instagram says that they have suspended your account, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now basically, sometimes when you try to log into your Instagram account, you're using Instagram normally the day before, and suddenly when you try to log in, it will give you this error that says we suspended your account on this specific date. And what does this mean? Your account doesn't follow either the community guidelines, or they cannot confirm your account. It will be permanently deleted, and if this account isn't visible to anybody on Instagram at the moment, and you cannot use it. Why this happens is because I had this error previously on my other account as well. I was trying to actually unfollow everybody at once, and for that I used a specific third-party app which is available on my app store. When I use that third-party application to unfollow everybody, suddenly after a while my account gets suspended. But how I fixed it during that time is when I got this message, you would be able to see the disagree with decision button at the bottom. When you try to log in, it will give you just some kind of button to actually appeal the decision made by Instagram. You just have to look for that button and then actually appeal it. It may ask you to verify with your email, your phone number in order to get your account unsuspended, and most of the times that would definitely work because I also fixed it in that way. However, considering another factor is that let's say it got permanently suspended, you're not being able to get it back. It was not temporarily suspended but permanently, or you're also not being able to see the button. There are a couple of ways we can work around this. So you still have 30 days left to disagree with the decision it says. For that, as I told you can tap on the button. If that doesn't help, then sometimes this is actually just temporary. Most of the times, because what happens is if you wait up to let's say 24 hours, a couple of days, and after a few while your Instagram account is going to get automatically logged in. At the time, what you can do is you can simply try to switch your network connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data, because why this happens is because Instagram might have suspended your IP address as well temporarily, and when you switch to cellular data or some other VPNs, it is actually going to change your IP address, and as a result it could definitely log into your account. I get this error most of the times when I'm on my Wi-Fi, but when I switch back to my cellular data, I will be able to successfully log in. Sometimes you can also try to log in from your browser. So open up your Chrome app, and in the search box you can just go ahead and type in instagram.com, log into your account. If you're on Android, you can open up your Play Store and you can try to log in from Instagram Lite. So try to check whether or not you can actually log in from the Instagram Lite application. If you're on iPhone as well, you can try to ask someone on Android and download Instagram Lite or someone else's phone and see if you can get access back into your account. However, if it has already been over 30 days period of time after your account has got suspended, keep in mind that you will not actually be able to retrieve back. Hopefully this video answered your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.